We are going to prepare a gourmet sandwich from staple items commonly found in our kitchen pantry. The baked bean sandwich is a savory sandwich which originated from the United Kingdom. Today, the baked bean sandwich is valued as a comfort food. Baked beans is an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber. We will need 3 slices of bread, 1 regular can of baked beans. For this recipe, I am using my favorite, brown sugar baked beans. You can also opt for the reduced sugar or vegetarian-style baked beans. You'll be needing 2 slices cheddar cheese and about 4 tablespoons of shredded mozzarella cheese. Low-sodium cheese varieties are great options for this recipe. We will also need 2 to 3 pieces of bacon cut into small pieces. Best bacon to use will be reduced sodium bacon or uncured bacon varieties that contain less preservatives. Take note that for this recipe, bacon is optional for those who would prefer the sandwich without meat. We will also need about 3 tablespoons of butter, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, and a pinch of dried parsley flakes. Heat your pan or skillet to medium heat and add the bacon. Cook the bacon to a semi-crunchy consistency. Drain the fat and place back the bacon in the pan and then add your baked beans. Simmer the baked beans and bacon bits in medium heat. Add a dash of Worcestershire sauce and continue to simmer the beans and bacon until the sauce is significantly reduced to almost a dry consistency. Then retrieve the beans from the pan and let it cool. In the meantime, place 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter in a microwave-safe bowl. Sprinkle the butter with parsley flakes and microwave for about 5 seconds until melted. Lightly toast the bread slices. Brush the bread slices on both sides with a dab of the melted butter and parsley mixture. Place a slice of cheddar cheese on one of the bread slices, then add some beans. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese on top of the beans, then place another slice of bread on top. Next, add the remaining slice of cheddar cheese and then add the rest of the baked beans. Sprinkle the rest of the mozzarella cheese and top it off with the remaining slice of the bread. Press the sandwich with your palm to give it more structure. Heat your skillet or pan to low heat and add the remaining parsley butter mixture to the pan. Fry both sides of the sandwich, carefully flipping over with kitchen tongs or wide spatulas. Fry the sandwich until light golden brown and the cheese slightly melted. Serve your baked bean sandwich with hash browns, side salad, and or with homemade peach iced tea or lemonade for a complete meal. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time here on Jeyn's Corner. Enjoy!